This, Antonio, is what it is about. It's collectively bringing together our neighborhoods to celebrate Baltimore, y'all, through the arts. A lot of times when I think about this next generation, they're not as fortunate to be able to see all of the opportunities to meet their full potential. When you think about the arts, James, and the opportunities that it brings, just think through lighting, the presentations that you're going to bring. I just say thank you for the work that you're going to be able to do, but more importantly, just collectively bringing us together as a community to be able to celebrate what we will see going forward.
Lighting light will be another example of how art and light create a sense of community. Nothing can dim the light which shines within. And so no matter what's happening in DC or wherever, just remember that light that shines bright within. And hopefully these displays and what will come out of this will shine bright throughout the city and throughout the city.
Some people are immersed in their artwork. And I think that this is the joy of being here tonight, that we're not only adding light to the community, but adding light to someone's life. So to the artists, we see you. To our community, we see you. And I'm here to be a partner to uplift the community, but also double down on the investments in our artists.
Remember, our city needs all of our light to shine, to really make it glow. Remember to bring the light, Baltimore. Thank you so much.